everyone, welcome to Botany Insider, and in this lecture we would be solving out a previous year question from the genetics unit. So we would understand the tricks to solve out these questions. So when we look at these type of questions, we assume that these questions are very difficult, but it is not the case. These questions are very simple to solve and easy to fetch 4 marks from these questions. So in this video we'll understand the trick to solve such questions and fetch golden 4 marks from these questions. So this question is from June 2019, and in this question the question is asking from us to find out the relative order of the mutant genes. Before reading the complete question, make sure you read the last statement so that you can understand or you can have a brief understanding of what you actually have to do in that question. So in this question, what we have to do is we have to find the relative order of the mutant genes. And even without reading the complete question, I can understand or I can make out that this is the map given for the deletion and this is the cross of the result of something given. So what we can do is that if you do not have ample amount of time, you can just analyze both of these figures given and solve out the answer if you know the trick. But if not, we will solve out this question by reading the complete question. So the question says that the location of 6 deletions, that is shown as the solid line underneath the chromosomes, it has been mapped to the Drosophila chromosome as shown in the diagram given below. So this is the map of the deletions. Then we have the recessive mutations as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and they are known to be located in the region of the deletions, but the order of the mutations is not known on the chromosome. When flies homozygous for the recessive mutations are crossed with the flies homozygous for the deletion, the following results were obtained, and the letter M represents the mutant phenotype and the letter positive symbol represents the wild type. So this is the result of the cross that is done between two homozygous recessive mutations and the homozygous flies. So this is the result and this is the graph that we need to analyze. So let us first analyze the graph and try to solve this question. So these are the only two important figures important in this question which we need to analyze. So the best way to solve this question is just use sliding principle in this question. And what is sliding principle? Let us understand. So first of all, let us analyze the results given. On this column, the deletions are given and on this side we have the mutations. So you can figure out that the first deletion is present on the B gene. By analyzing this map given, B would be present here because this is the chromosome and the deletion overlapping in this region. So initially we have B, then the second one is C, and then we have the D. So just write down C and D at the crossing points. In the second deletion, we have C and D as the mutants. So just write C underneath the same and just write D at the crossing line. In the third deletion, we have D and E. So write D underneath and E on the next position. And then the fourth deletion is present in D, E and A. Make sure you move in a same direction. Do not go backward. Just move in the same direction and use the same order. So we have D, E and A. So just write down D, E and A in the fourth deletion. In the fifth deletion, we have F, G and A. So write down F, G and A is already present. And the last deletion is present in C, D, F and A. So just write down. We have the order of all of them. Just write down underneath them. So we have D, so write down D in the same position. Then we have E, write down E in the same position. Then we have F and then we have A. So this is the order. Just write each of the letter in the same order. Let me just change the color first. So you can see initially we have B, so write down B. Then we have C as the order, write down C. Then we have D as our gene, so we have D. Then we have E. Moving forward, we have A, F and G. So this is the order of the gene that we need to find. So when we analyze the options, we would understand that C is the correct option. That is, the order of the genes is B, C, D, E, A, G and F. So as you can see, this question is very simple. All you need to understand the trick to solve this question. What you have to do is just write down the order of the genes in a sliding manner, overlapping each other at the areas of the same mutations, and then you would easily get this order of the genes. The second way to solve this question is that instead of going or analyzing and overlapping these two graphs, just use the second graph and solve the question. Let us solve it by the second method also. So we have initial deletion as B, then C and D. So just write down. First we have B, then we have C, and then we have D. The second deletion we have C and D as a second deletion. In the third one we have D and E. In the fourth one we have D, E and A. Make sure you go in the same direction. Then we have F, G and A. So write down A, F and G. You need to write down the same genes underneath the same genes in order to find the correct answer. And in the sixth one we have D, E, F and A. So just write down D, E, F and A, and after getting this complete order, just write down the final order as one alphabet at a time. So first we have B, then we have C, then we have D, then we have E, A, F and G. So you can see in both the conditions we find out the answer as the similar one. So it depends upon you which trick is more easier for you to understand and to apply it in the questions. So the correct answer for this question is option C. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you want me to make more such videos, please do let me know in the comment sections below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.